In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a playlist on Spotify. So if you're new to Spotify, this will be very helpful for you to make a playlist. So what you want to do is go and find your Spotify app. I just have the free version. You don't need to have the premium version for this. So what you want to do is go to the bottom part of your app here and go to your library. And then at the top right, you just want to hit the plus sign, and that will give you the option to build a playlist with songs or podcasts or anything that you want. So for this example, I'm just going to type in playlist one, and that will create it. And then what you can do from here is hit the button, add the playlist, or go into your search and be able to do it that way too. So what I'm going to do is actually go into the search section at the bottom of the app here. And you can type in any artist that you want. I just typed in this one. And then what you want to do is kind of go through any of the songs that you want to add to your playlist. And next to each song, you're going to see the three dots. So just click those three dots, and then you're going to have an option to add to playlist. So you can click add to playlist, and you see the playlist that we just created called playlist 1. I'm going to choose that one and hit done. And then if you want to check if it was added to your playlist correctly, you can go back to your library and you have your playlist here, and it has a song that you added. So I hope that helps, and we'll see you in the next video.